Hi, welcome to Tony's Tech Talk, where I'm going to talk about the equipment that I bring with me on my trips. And if you like it, maybe we'll do some more. And if I get new audience members, then that's always good too. Do you know most people, when they go on a trip, bring their phone, one camera? Well, I bring a little more than that. So right now I want to talk about two drones, two new ones to me. This is the DJI Mini 5 with screen. I stepped up from the 3, so there's some major improvements. This is the drone that flies over the mountain. Why do I say that? This is the DJI Neo 2. Neo 2. This is basically a selfie camera that goes 20 meters out. It has an intelligent battery with preset designated flights. So when I had the original model last year in Greece, you know, it went into the water. That's a whole different story. But while I had it, I only operated it as a follow me, like it followed me around. And this morning I was playing with this, and there's 8 or 9 different intelligent flight patterns I've never used. So I thought, so why don't we just go to an open space and we're going to see what each one means. And then we'll also do some comparisons about what happens with the built-in cinematic features that are on the DJI Mini 5. These come with protective gimbal cases. Let's go find a field. So this open field here at Gricos Bay on the island of Patmos is where we're going to test this. A problem that I hope I don't regret is I did not bring my phone because there's no charge. Meaning, I've had moments that I cannot control it, and then I have to log onto the app to take control of it. Like, yeah, it won't land, I can't reach it, it's stuck. And I'm sure that's all user error. So here's the deal. We power it up by holding. I'll just press 2 times. Okay, so we get some movement. Ooh, that's the DJI, the sound of a cash register. Okay, so now when the gimbal levels were on, what's different about the Model 2 is the controls are right here. So here's the selections. You ready?
Selfie shot.
Selfie shot. What is that? Well, I think it's going to do not video, it's going to do photos. And then I hold the red button.
3 shot sizes. Selfie shot. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's pose. Okay, so the camera went off, now it's going to come back. Come on. Next one.
Follow.
Follow, we know that one, right? So when I press...
1.
It's one of my favorites, right? And then in the app, you can control how close or how far away you want it. Whenever it gets stuck up in the air, I've learned that if I go down, oh, it goes down.
Boomerang.
Ooh, that's a good one. I learned this one this morning. Okay, ready? That's a real good one.
Boomerang. 3, 2, 1.
Let's watch. Okay. Out. I know. Oh, that's a good one. You have to make sure you have the space for this. Now, like a boomerang, when done, it should come back. Ooh. Okay, you ready? Stick out your hand. Hey. Come on.
Helix.
See, I don't know what this means. I still don't. I did this one this morning. I liked it. You ready? Anybody know what helix means? Put it in the comments.
4 meters. Helix. 3, 2, 1.
So 4 meters isn't enough. Well, let's find out. All right. Hello. Back. Huh. And okay, look. It seems like it's almost boomerang, but it's going up. Okay. Whoa, welcome home. Welcome home. Bye.
Spotlight.
Ooh, okay. That means it's gonna focus on one thing. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's see. Spotlight. You ready? Hello. Spotlight. Okay, so it's a steady cam. It is. So it's just a steady cam. That's good to know. So it's follow, but holding still. I can use this. I definitely can use this. Wow. Okay, we're learning.
Rocket.
Okay, rocket is, I think, up.
1. Unable to take off.
Oh, okay. See, I
Aim
moved.
camera at subject
Aim camera at
first.
me. Shh.
4 meters.
Here we go.
Rocket.
4 meters is
3,
not enough.
2, 1.
Ooh. Okay, so up. Okay. So everybody, are you enjoying this? You have no idea how much fun this is. Okay.
Skiing follow.
Skiing follow. So I've got to move, and I think this is about speed. I don't like to do either. Let's run. Okay, you ready? Let's run. Okay. Okay. That's almost like follow. Okay, next one.
Cycling follow.
Okay, I'm not going to do that because it's the same thing, but I think it's sideways. Yeah, let's do it. Okay.
Rear. Cycling follow. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. So. Okay, so it's not to the side, and I'm stopping it because it's almost the same as follow. I think it's about speed.
Circle.
Whoa. I feel like that's like helix, right? Let's see what's different.
2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
So now you're gonna circle. Circle, okay, so here's the deal. Boomerang was low. Circle is the same distance, and helix had a little view from above. I'll never use this setting. Okay.
Droney.
Okay, I use this one a lot.
20 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, ready? I need you to smile. Watch. That's far. I actually want all my things set at 20 meters. That's where we started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the DJI Neo 2. The Neo 2, a little more intelligent, battery life longer. You couldn't lose a finger on this one if you've tried. I highly, this was a welcome addition to my tool belt last year. Let's go to the top of that rock and play with the cinematic features. The cinematic features of the DJI Mini 5. Okay, so I'm gonna fly this, and then every cinematic shot, I'll tell you what's happening. And then we have a meeting to go over some other mechanics. Antennas up, do that first. Turn on, hold. Power this up, same thing. That's 2 buttons, let's hold. Oh, that engagement tells you. The cash register. We're gonna wait for the satellites to find where we're located.
Home point updated.
Pull the throttles in.
Take off.
We're up.
Home point updated.
I don't like the wind, but mastershots it's called. Mastershots. It now wants to know who I'm drawing a picture around me. It sees me. Let's keep a medium range because of the wind. And
3, 2, 1.
And there it goes. Continue gear talk. As I said, I use the Ace Pro 2. It has a magnetic clamp that easily removes. I haven't used GoPro in many of their upgrades since I went to Ace Pro 2. I like it because definitely it's screen that flips out. So if this were September and I ran out of power, because I drive around on an ATV, I have a solar powered battery bank with attached cables, okay? But it also has the proper ports. Now this year, the car rental has a USB-C, so I would never be without power driving around. The Fly More drone deals I have their own multi-battery charger, and then I can multi-charge all three. The same thing happens with the DJI Mini. If this were September, while driving around in the back of the ATV, I would just do that and then let the sun hit it. You don't understand how a day can be cut short due to I don't have battery for production. New this year are the Meta Generation 2 Wayfarer RayBan smart glasses, right? The case is the charger. And what I did was I put 3.50 stickers to make them bifocals. Right. So I could read, hey Meta, take a video. This is my Sony. This is what I do morning confessionals as well. This is the inside camera that I travel with. Because again, the screen lifts out. Not necessarily tech, but something I'm very proud of, and it's my organization for cables, memory cards, and adapters. And before I sign off, one last thing. The i17 Pro, they have perfected iPhone video so much that this little phone is pulling a lot of weight. The problem is battery. So if you like what you saw, please hit like, comment, and subscribe. I am getting so close to 10,000 viewers. I still think that creator tools and a little more respect is gonna happen when I hit that. Speaking of hitting that, see you next time.